If you're an overlander or you're into camping, boats, or off-grid sustainable living, energy conservation is important. Your electricity needs will all run off a battery, which most likely will be charged through solar energy or a gas generator. Or your system might be set up with the DC to DC charger that will charge your accessory battery when your vehicle is running. You want your power management system to run as efficiently as possible and conserve energy to help ensure that you have enough juice to run your appliances and electronic devices. We're full-time overlanders, and we have a Renergy solar management system installed in our truck. It powers all of our electronic devices, from cell phones, laptops, fans, flashlights, power banks, cameras, our drone, and it runs our fridge freezer. Our system runs off a 12-volt DC battery. We have an inverter that converts the power up to 120 volts AC and can handle up to 2,000 watts. We also have 4 12-volt charging plugs, as well as 6 USB charging outlets. When we first started out, our accessory battery would be depleted in less than 24 hours if we had no opportunity to recharge through solar. We learned the hard way, waking up in the middle of the night with our fridge alarm going off because the battery was dead. After draining the battery several times, we learned we were making a common mistake. We were running our fridge and charging our laptops through AC 120-volt plug-in. Using AC power is inefficient and will drain your power source quick. We switched our fridge plug-in to a 12-volt and purchased a 12-volt adapter to charge our laptops. And our accessory battery lasts 3 to 4 times longer without needing a charge. A total game changer. Life lesson. Switch to 12-volt adapters to charge appliances and electronics where possible, and look for electronics that can be charged through USB or C2C charging cables. This is all DC power, and it's so much more efficient. So why is this? Our fridge has a 12-volt compressor. So when it's plugged into AC power, it has to convert 120-volt AC power down to 12-volt DC power, losing electricity all along the way. The same is true for laptops. They're DC, so you lose efficiency in the transfer if plugging into AC power. Bottom line, DC power reigns supreme. So when your power is at a premium, like overlanding, camping, boating, or anything off-grid, switch to 12-volt power supply. It's a power saver. Thanks for watching, and if you want to follow our overland adventures, subscribe to our channel. We're currently overlanding in Baja California, Mexico for the next 6 months. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.